Welcome back. Dave Shipley here, BISH'S RV in Great Falls, Montana. Take a look at this view. If you like what you see, just hit the link below. It'll take you right to this camper. Hopefully bring you right to me as well. So today we're looking at the 2012 Thor Freedom Elite 31R Class C motorhome. 6.8 liter Triton V10 with only 81,700 miles. You want to break that down? That's 8,100 miles a year, roughly 620 miles a week, roughly 22 miles a day. So this thing has actually been pretty well taken care of. If you're feeling cute, you want to buy a pretty good motorhome, this one's for you. Nice 18-foot awning on the outside. It is manual because it is an older vehicle, but you get a really nice awning that's going to cover a lot of the outside of your coach. Humongous pass-through storage, as you saw during the walk around part of this video. Inside that storage you do have a full-size spare tire. You could almost fit a couple more people back there if you really wanted to. Comes with an onboard generator, which is fueled off of the fuel cell from the camper itself. That's located on the other side for easy access if you need to work on it. Notice on this side, the storage compartments, you have a few of those on the other side as well. So you can load her up, and if you have too much for the back storage, you get a little bit more on the side. Why don't we take a look at the inside real quick. So the first thing you're gonna notice when you come into this coach is how roomy it is. Now you only have a single slide, but on that slide you do have a booth style dinette, a 3-seat couch that turns into a true hide-a-bed, and above your captain's chairs on the front of your cab you do have a loft, which I'm 6 foot 275. I could easily get up there and sleep and sprawl out. There is a TV up there, so that way you can swing it out, watch a movie at night, entertain the kids, and it easily folds away. Along both sides of this camper in the coach, you're going to notice how much storage you have. One complaint for people, especially in motorhomes, is there's not enough storage, because if you're doing road trips, cross country, going to see family, graduations, you want to take as much stuff as you possibly can with you so you don't have to make those stops at the grocery stores. Now in this kitchen you also have a double-sided sink, 3-burner stove on top of your oven, microwave, and a little kitchen extension right here that flips up, and it's nice and level with the rest of the kitchen, so you have plenty of prep area for making some food. Norcold dual purpose refrigerator. And back here is going to be your master suite. We'll try to both squeeze back here so you can get the whole in-house feeling. Now it does come with a full-size mattress. A queen won't fit, king won't fit, but that's okay. You're not going to be in this thing but other than sleeping all the time. You do have tons of storage all the way around the bed as well, and it's really nice having these windows all the way around so you get plenty of daylight, or you can look at the stars at night. You do have shades that pull down, so that way when we're in the summertime, springtime, the sun decides to show its face first thing in the morning, you don't have to deal with that. Really nice big corner size shower right here. Door swings open nice and wide so you can get in. It does have a removable shower head, so you can make sure you get all those parts of your body that you don't think you might be able to get in a smaller RV shower. This door leads into your reading room right here. It's really cool that the top of this door actually has a little, I guess, a little nub on the top that fits into a little D-ring on the back side, so the door actually will stay shut for privacy. In here you have your toilet, your sink, and your double-sided medicine cabinet with some mirrors. Over here also you'll have a little curtain. This curtain just slides along this little rail here to give you some privacy if you do have some extra people staying with you. So again, click on the link below. It'll take you right to this camper, or you can come up and see any of us here at BISH'S RV, 3928 Tri-Hill Frontage Road in Great Falls, Montana. I'd like it if you ask for me. There's some other really good people here too. This is the 2012 Thor Freedom Elite 31R Class C motorhome. Hope you like what you see.